Today we're checking out the Morimoto XB LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2023 and newer F-250 and F-350 Super Duty with the factory halogen taillights. If you want one of the biggest rear end visual upgrades that you can make, while also stepping up your safety and visibility on the road, these are the kind of taillights that can completely modernize the look of your truck with an easy, direct fit install swap, so they're definitely worth considering. These lights bring that premium smoked lens and the blacked out look, which gives the back of the truck a much cleaner and more modern style compared to basic factory halogen setups. But this upgrade is not just all about looks, because these are also brighter than stock and throw a broader visible range, which is a big deal when you want your brake and rear lighting to stand out better in traffic, at night, or in bad weather. That can make a big difference if this is your daily driver, a tow rig, or something that sees a lot of highway miles in bad weather and low light conditions. You're also getting high performance reverse lights, which can help make backing up easier and more confidence inspiring, especially in a huge truck like the F-250 and F-350. Another nice touch here is the compatibility with that blind spot information system, because it helps keep the upgrade feeling more factory friendly and like a premium upgrade instead of turning it into a headache where you lose features. Overall, this is the kind of premium taillight setup for the owner who wants strong style, upgraded lighting performance, and a much more high-end finished look in the back of the truck. When it comes to the construction on these, you are getting a rugged smoked polycarbonate lens with a black ABS housing. That's a great combination for a truck application because the polycarbonate lens is built to hold up to the elements, it's UV stable, and it'll take the everyday abuse that the truck's gonna see. While the ABS housings keep things strong and durable behind the scenes. You're also getting integrated red reflex reflectors along with DOT and SAE compliance, so these lights are built to look good and still stay street friendly. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right in the mid $800 price range. That definitely puts these in the premium category, but that makes a lot of sense if you factor in the high-end style, the brighter output, and the keeping the factory features and not having to lose that blind spot integration, and the overall upgraded custom look that it's gonna bring to the back of your truck. When it comes to the install on these, they're gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in just 30 minutes of your time since it's a direct fit swap. And now, let's head on out to the shop. We're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and an 8mm socket. Today we're installing taillights on our F-250, so let's get started. So to remove our stock taillights, first thing we need to do is remove these 2 8mm screws. So I've got an 8mm socket to pull these out. And then we're just gonna kind of angle this out, and we're gonna pull at an angle to pop our 2 pins out of the grommets. And then with those popped out, we just need to press in on all the tabs to disconnect our connectors. Do that same thing on the other side. So now first thing we're gonna do for installing the taillights is install these 2 metal discs. These are gonna go right in the back of the hole, and our resistors are gonna magnetically stick to these. So we're just gonna peel off double-side tape backing. And then stick them on. And I'm just gonna leave a little bit of space between the 2. So these are our resistors, they're pretty big in size, so you wanna make sure that you have magnet contact on both of them. So now we're gonna get our wiring all set up. Now we've got 3 separate harnesses here. I'm gonna start with this one. We've got our black connector that matches up with all 3 of our connectors. This one has 2 wires going into it. So you're gonna wanna find the connector that has 2 wires. This is gonna be the green one. Plug that in. And then we can get our main harness. This tan connector is gonna plug into the tan connector. And then you can press in on this red locking tab. And then this connector You can connect into either of your black connectors. Clip that into place. Then you can grab your resistors, plug that connector in, and then stick your connector onto that first disc. And then we have our last harness. We have the connector that goes to our resistor and a black connector that'll go to our third connector here. Plug that in. Plug your resistor in. Tuck this wire back a little bit. Connect that resistor onto the second disc. Now you can tuck your wires back out of the way, and we're left with that one connector that's going to go into our taillight. So now we've got our taillight. We're going to take our one connector and plug it in. And then once again, you're going to press in on this red locking tab. And then tuck your wires back out of the way. We've got our 2 pins that are going into the clips first. Get those lined up. Push it into place. And now we can install our 2 screws. Now our screws are self-tapping, so we can just line that up and run those in with an 8mm socket. And then repeat that process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Morimoto XB LED taillights with black housing and smoked lens for your 2023 and newer F-250 and 350 Super Duty with factory halogen taillights. Thanks for watching, and for all things F-250, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.